Hello, and today I will be showing you how to install Python on your computer. First thing you want to do is to get started, you want to open the browser of your choice. When you get to your browser of your choice, make sure you go to google.com or google.co.uk, depending on where you live. And you want to Google for Python. If you don't want to do any of this, I will leave a link in the description where you can go straight to the download page. But when you're on python.org, you want to select it and you want to go to downloads. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky with Python. So the version I'll be using in my tutorials is Python 2.7.11. You may realise that it says there's Python 3 up here. This, I'm not going to go into great detail, but the Python 3 uses different coding places than Python 2. If you want a better description of what it really is, then there's this link here on the page. So, on this, you want to go to Python 2.7.11, and you do not want to click on the download to the right. Do not click that, just click here. Once you're here, I'm pretty sure if you're learning how to code Python, then you'll know if you have 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. But for showing on Windows 10, 8.1 and 8, you'll want to right click on your Windows icon and choose System. You can also type into the search bar on Windows 10, 8.1, 8 and 7 System, and this will be the thing that pops up. It will tell you here what if you're running 32-bit or 64-bit Windows, and you want to take that information here. So in my case, I'll be installing 64-bit Python. So you want to wait for that to download and then install it. This is going to be a long video. Right. So eventually you'll be brought to a screen that looks like this. You want to choose install for all users, unless this is a personal computer or a shared computer. You don't want anybody else seeing Python, just choose install for me. But generally you'll want to use install for all users. Choose next. See Python 27, which stands for 2.7, is what you'll want to keep that as. And here, and scroll down to the bottom, click the little box here next to add python.exe to path. Will be installed on local hard drive, and let that install on your computer. Ignore any command prompt boxes that pop up. This is purely just setting up your Python with all the necessary add-ons like network add-ons, system add-ons. It just sets that all up for you there, so you don't have to go and do it yourself. These extra add-ons are actually very useful, and I'll be showing you some of them in later tutorials. Right. Once you reach this screen, you've installed Python. Next tutorial I'll be showing you how to do more in Python, but in the meantime, if you want to open Python on your computer, go to your search bar here. If it doesn't crash, and type in Python, and you want to choose here IDLE, Python GUI. And once it's loaded, you're now inside the Python shell. So yeah, thank you for listening.